Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to open a Toyota Yaris fuel cap. Pull the release lever near the driver's seat, then check that the car is unlocked so the fuel door can open. Gently open the fuel door and twist the cap counterclockwise until it comes free. Keep the cap in the pocket on the fuel door or in your hand to avoid dropping it. Replace by twisting clockwise until it clicks. Start by locating the release lever or button, usually by the driver's seat or on the dash. If your Yaris lacks an interior release, press the fuel door edge gently to pop it open. Support the fuel cap as you twist it counterclockwise to prevent spills and protect the threads. Set the cap in the holder if available or keep it secured while fueling. After refueling, twist the cap clockwise until you hear a firm click. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support more content. Quick recommendation: the Owala water bottle is great for staying hydrated while you handle car tasks, and it fits in most cup holders for convenience. I use it when I walk around the car or wait at the pump. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. If the lever is stiff, try spraying a tiny amount of penetrating lubricant and operate it gently to avoid breaking the plastic. For a frozen or sticky fuel door, warm the area carefully with warm air or tap gently around the edge to release the seal. If the cap resists twisting, check for dirt or damaged threads that could bind it. Never force the cap, and consider visiting a service center for repairs if issues persist.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.